My name is Sara. Her hair is black. That is his house. This is my cat. As you can see, today we're going to focus on possessive adjectives. Welcome to Lesson 10. Your Language Studio presents Let's Learn English with Teacher Sari. Hello! Welcome to your Language Studio. Yo soy la Teacher Sari y te voy a acompañar en tu trayecto de aprender inglés desde cero. Antes de comenzar, quiero recordarte que te suscribas a nuestro canal y que actives la campanita para que no te pierdas del contenido que subimos semanalmente. También te quiero recordar que te descargues la hoja de trabajo que tienes en la descripción. Recuerda trabajar en ella antes, durante y después de ver este video. El día de hoy nos vamos a enfocar en adjetivos de posesión. Empecemos. Stop the video. In your worksheet, please complete the Before You Watch section. Now, continue with the video and please complete the While You Watch section. Possessive Adjectives. Como su nombre lo dice, estos adjetivos nos van a ayudar a identificar a quién o a qué le pertenece algo. Listen. His car is green. Their house is small. Its bone is big. Her teacher is tall. Ok, tenemos que darnos cuenta que para cada pronombre personal tenemos un adjetivo de posesión. Listen. I am Sara. My mother is Anita. You are a student. Your school is big. He is Juan. His dog is Rufus. She is a chef. Her restaurant is big. It is Rufus. Its bed is a pillow. We are people. Our house is earth. You are firemen. Your fire truck is red. They are children. Their teacher is Mrs. Johnson. Perfect! We have finished for today. What have we reviewed? We reviewed possessive adjectives. Remember that for every personal pronoun, we have a possessive adjective. Listen. I, my. You, your. He, his. She, her. It, its. We, our. You, your. They, their. Now practice using the possessive adjectives with the verb to be. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your comments and thank you for watching. I am Teacher Sari and I will see you in our next lesson. Bye! Please complete the After You Watch section of your worksheet. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching!